Hello there guys, it's CoolFox over here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of this outdoor waterproof speaker. Now this is a pretty generic speaker and you can find this on Amazon for around £17. Starting off with the unboxing, on the front here you've got the IPX7 rating. This also has a mosquito repellent mode with this button over here, which we will take a look at later, and it also has stereo sound. On the top of the box, all that there is written is that this is an outdoor waterproof speaker. Same thing on the bottom, and on the sides there is nothing written. So opening up the box, inside you will find the speaker and a box filled with some other accessories. So first off, taking a look at the box itself, you will find that there is a manual included and also some other cables. So there is a 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack, and this is basically to connect the speaker via a wired connection. You've also got a micro USB cable included, which is standard, and then you've got the manual. Now the manual itself is pretty basic, and if you've owned any other Bluetooth speakers, you don't really need to take a look at this, since these are basic stuff. And now taking a look at the speaker itself, on the top you've got 5 buttons. This is the power on and off button, the minus volume or skip track button, the pause and play, the plus volume or skip track button, and also the mosquito repellent. Then you've got this little thing here so you can attach it to something. On the other side it's blank. On the bottom you've got a long rubber foot so it does not move around that much. And on the back you will find the connections. You will see that you have a micro SD card slot, a 3.5mm jack, and also the micro USB for charging. Now keep in mind that this is the only thing holding the water from entering these ports, and this is pretty common on these waterproof speakers. So if something happens to this, I would recommend not leaving this near water. And on the front you've got the 2 stereo speakers. As far as design goes, I am not a big fan of this, and there are certainly other speakers at the same price point which look a lot better. An example of this is the Jackery Boom. Now keep in mind that this has been used a lot, and this is basically all rust. The design is a subjective matter, so this is a more industrial look compared to the more modern look that this speaker has. So obviously these are all personal preferences. Another speaker at this price point is the Anker Soundcore, and this by far is the best looking speaker out of all of them, in my opinion at least. And you can see that this is a lot more minimalistic than this, since the waterproof speaker is trying to take a more modernish design, which I am not a big fan of. All these edges here are really annoying and they feel like cheap plastic all around. Comparing them to the Soundcore here, you've got soft rubber everywhere, a metal grill, and also a soft back. And also comparing the waterproof speaker to the Jackery Boom, you can see that this is also soft rubber, the plastic is a lot more high quality, and this is all metal on the front, which is a lot better overall. Something else which is pretty annoying with the speaker is that, considering that the foot here is really thin, it is not that stable, and you can see that a bit of movement will topple it down. Sound quality from the speaker is pretty good. Here is a little test so you can judge the sound for yourself.
I meant to ask you, how was Mrs. Richardson's party the other day?
Oh, it was very nice. She's the most perfect housekeeper I've ever seen. Her house is absolutely immaculate.
Yeah, that's what I understand.
Her table looked just beautiful.
Comparing the sound quality of all of these three speakers, I would say that this has the best highs and the best mids, while the Jackery Boom has the best lows. Now, as you could tell from the test, this does not have as much low as the Jackery Boom, and the Anker Soundcore honestly did not impress me that much, since I think both the outdoor water speaker and this Jackery Boom have better sound quality than the Soundcore. Now this is obviously up to personal preference as well, so if you prefer a sound which is more like the Anker Soundcore rather than these two, that is totally fine, and obviously everyone has his own personal preference. I would recommend this if you want very high volume, since this can output louder volumes than the Jackery Boom and even the Anker Soundcore, but if you want better bass, I would go with the Jackery Boom. Now that is not to say that this does not have any bass, since this also has pretty good bass, but going back to the outdoor waterproof speaker, this is very good. And also considering that this takes a micro SD card as well is really a good feature. And now something else that there is included is the mosquito repellent feature, and if you turn it on, you can see a green LED lights up. Now this does work, and although some people might not hear it, considering that this is in the higher frequencies, not everyone will be able to hear it. So I am not even sure if this microphone can pick it up, but nonetheless here is a short test. Okay, so this is a short test, and as you will see, when I turn this on, the cat will actually hear it, so this is obviously not fake and it will work pretty well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. If you would like to check the speaker out for yourself on Amazon, please click the link down below, since I am an Amazon affiliate and it would help me out a lot if you use the link down below. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.